Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add free shipping to your store on Shopify. Offering free shipping is a great way to attract more customers and increase sales. We will walk you through how to set it up quickly. Let's get started. In your Shopify dashboard, we will go to Settings. You can find Settings in the lower left part of your dashboard. Click Settings. Then go to Shipping and Delivery. Here, we will look at local delivery. This is where we set everything up. If you want to offer local delivery, simply turn it on to activate it. You will see your delivery zones here. To set this up, just add a zone or add a delivery area. Enter your name, then fill in your name and address. Next, choose how far you want to deliver. For example, 50 miles. Set the order price and the delivery price to 0. Since we are setting up free delivery. Then enter the minimum order amount. For example, minimum item. Save that. As you can see, this is now set as free local delivery. Just adjust these settings to match your needs, and you are all set. We have successfully added free shipping to your Shopify store. Now your customers can enjoy a smoother checkout experience, and your store becomes even more appealing.